Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do one of my most requested videos. I have been asked to do a video on how to reduce hair fall. So after a long time I have come up with one solution. I had to do it on my own and try it in trial and error method. So I should say I am quite satisfied with the results what I found. So I have come up with one treatment for scalp. Hope you like it. Here I've used a mixture of oils, all easily available oils. There's nothing exotic oils what I've used. But the green ingredient what you're seeing here is something special. But don't worry, even that is easily available. Keep watching my video until the end to know what it is. So for this hair oil, I am using coconut oil. I'll be using 10 ml coconut oil. Badam oil or almond oil, I'll be using 1 teaspoon of almond oil, and vitamin E oil capsules. I'm using 2 of this. This is for one application what I'm using. If you have any syrup cap like this, you can measure it in this. It will be easy for your measurements. So I have punctured a hole in this vitamin E capsule. I'll be using these 2 capsules of vitamin E. (10 ml of coconut oil), and badam oil 1 teaspoon. Mix this all very thoroughly. If you don't have badam oil, you can substitute with castor oil or olive oil. That also works just fine. So this is the mixture of oils I have got. This forms the base of the oil. You can keep this oil, mix this oil readily and store it in a bottle like this. You can use 10 capsules of vitamin E oil for 100 ml of coconut oil, and 3 or 4 teaspoons of badam oil. So for this, the last ingredient what I'm using is a magic ingredient. It is the spirulina tablets. Spirulina is freshwater algae. It is widely used for promoting hair growth. It has amino acids, fatty acids and vitamin A, and also it has beta carotene, which are great for hair. So I'm going to crush this tablet. You can get these tablets online. You can purchase it online. You can get it in powder form also. I'll leave the link in the description box. You can check it out. You will get it in the powder form also. You can use that also. What I'm doing is I've crushed these 2 tablets, and I've separated the coating of the tablet, and I've made a powder of this like this. So I'm going to mix this in this oil. So after adding spirulina tablets, mix all the mixed ingredients thoroughly. There should be no lumps of this tablet. See to it you powder it well. This spirulina tablet has a pungent smell. Some people may not like it. It is a freshwater algae anyway. If you don't like the pungency, you can add camphor tablets. You can crush the tablets and add along with this. So the hair oil is ready. You can apply this hair oil onto the roots of your hair. Separate your hair in sections and apply it with your fingers. You can give a slight massage if you want. Apply it in the night and you can wash your hair next morning. Otherwise, you can also apply it 2-3 hours before washing your hair. This is a scalp treatment. This spirulina and vitamin E oil what I've used is most important part of the ingredient. If you find this remedy useful, and if you want more such videos, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. You can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more such notifications. If you like, please comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.